Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel Make Money Online. Today I will show you how you can earn free Theta Fuel token. So for that friends, you have to just visit the website Theta. So I will provide you the link in the description. When you visit the website, the main screen will be look like this. As you can see, actually it is about the live streaming, channel. People who streams live on different channels, they just provide their videos with their gaming or any service they are providing, and by just watching their live stream, we are going to make free T fuel token. So let's get started friends. When you join the link from the description, then you have to just subscribe different live streamers and watch their videos like you can see, and you can also claim T fuel token by just daily reward clicking on it by on the right side on the that menu. When you registered yourself, you have to verify your email using Gmail account, and then you will be able to do that. Sorry about friends not responding situation. As you can see here, I am going to click on the daily reward. It is taking some time. No, there you go. My system is a bit slow friends, so I am sorry about that. So as you can see friend, a tab has been opened to view this screen. Let's refresh the page again. Friends, as you will see the screen like this, I have already claimed from the day one as I joined yesterday. Now this time to claim daily reward as well. As you can see here, the next reward, just click on that and you will be able to claim your daily reward. As you can see here now, guys, as you can see there is a little banner ad. You can also make money by applying that extension in your Chrome browser like this. You can see there 0.13 cents. I will provide you the link in the description as well, so you can make money online for free with Legit. As you can see, I have already claimed different payments from this banner ad you can see over here. So you can use that website to make your free earning like that as well, and the minimum payout for that is the 0.3 cents. So that's exactly free. And if you want to promote your YouTube channel or anything, like you want to get subscriber or likes, then you can also go to that banner website's main page and apply for that. So that's a very good actually website to use. So fine friends, as you can see here, I have to go back, and now again click on the daily claim. For that reason, I'm not sure that something is itchy, but yeah, that is taking some time to add some daily reward, but that helps. So once you get that, as you can see here, I have one Theta Fuel token over here which I claim from that daily reward as well. So let me show you that as well. Once you click on that, as you will see here, this 1.01 and the 0.1 is just from watching different live streams. So guys, as you can see here, the screen watch and earn T fuel. When you click on that, you will be redirected to the page like that. You can also chat here. You can say hello to the streamer as well. As you can see, I have there it is. You earn a daily reward. Visit each day Neutron Star 2x coin bar. So here you go. So friends, as you can see here, a little pop-up and with the zero values T fuel earned. With the passage of time, the longer the video you will see, the longer you will earn the T fuel token. So it depends how much you gave the time to the live streamer and watch their videos, and with the passage of time you will make more T fuel, and the one T fuel token is worth 0.34 cents. Let me show you on the Google as well. When you click on the google.com, you can simply type the T fuel worth USD rate, so it will provide you this different information about the token as well, or airdrop. So T fuel rate, the arrow price you can see here. You can see here theta fuel price is right now 0.34 cents. So friends, you can make free money online without doing anything, just watching similar videos like streaming. Like you can see also the NASA video and different streamers. You can follow them, subscribe them and watch their videos, and you will get different rewards. And you can also get the rewards in the form of free giveaways, like for example different mobile phone, different iPhones, etc. So they are providing their excellent services. Like you can see the heart shape here, you can watch videos, you can see streams and much more. You can go their T fuel store. When you click on that, it will redirect you to the page like that. As you can see over here, there are different rewards as well, like this one. You can also get different products like Theta face mask, Silver TV. As the COVID is, guys, is very deadly, you must follow the SOP, so you must have to have the face masks, and that's very important for your health. So there are different other products you can also get from this website. You can see over here, there are so many things actually you can get from there. There is a Spillgate T fuel race skin pack as well. You can also get that for one T fuel as well, which is Theta fuel. And there is Silver.tv T fuel pin. You can also get that as well. So there are so many bunch of different products or services they are giving, and you can just exchange it as well, like what you want. And also you can get different miscellaneous like PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB console. That's so cool, guys. And there is also Ledger Nano hardware wallet cryptocurrencies also available. Xbox One and Nintendo Switch with neon red. So that's a very good website to join, guys. I will recommend you, if you want to earn some real money, you must go visit the link in the description and join right now to make the Theta fuel, unless its rate gets higher, so it will be very tough to earn lateral Theta fuel. So that's the time, friends. No, don't waste your time on the fake website. That's the legit website, and just get your free token right now. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends, so they can also join our YouTube channel to get some interesting information on how to make money online. Stay tuned. Cheers.